You subscribe yet? Always there as a picture. You see, if a man do enough for me, I show me sign. But if I fail, it will come. Here, do me a working. Oh boy, man. You show me sign.
Baby, what you do? What you do?
Yeah, pray.
And your phone is on? Eh?
No, I'm not on my phone.
So you just set so as me come so it's like you screen drop when I see it. Eh? What you mean say what I mean?
What you mean?
And look for your phone right just in front of you. Eh? What kind of look this? This don't look good. If you see me come in and as me see you, your screen drop.
What you mean by my screen job? Me not even see when you come in.
You know how hard me work at daytime? Eh?
Of course.
You know what I do for your living? Eh? You're in your shop right there, so your shop empty, your shop now no food tonight, no food stuff. And you said to me, so if you stock your shop by the end of the week, you know what me I do? Eh?
Me know so you work hard for give me money if you stop my shop. Me not understand. When you come in here accuse me.
Me not accuse you just based on how you look. If me when you look like how you look suspicious, you wouldn't like to see the vibes then either. You know, I think arcing or something.
You know you. When you come in here with a heap of nice fam.
What mean nice?
People come here and tell me things about you and I don't believe them. I run with my own friend, you know.
But you can't believe them. What you believe them say? I work me there. You ever see me there now it's what work?
But me always tell them say they work.
So when you call me, when me there, you know you hear bang 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 in your back.
Yeah.
So what you expect for happen then? So stop judge me and make me feel like something something wrong. When I come home hungry and me expect to see you even just greet me as I hug me up and them something. I nah get them something there. Why me can't get a hug up and have a normal life
Me
like
not
some normal
even see
people?
when you come in.
Exactly, because you don't look for me. You look for me? You expect me? Tell me something. You call me from what? From 1 o'clock to the now at 6 p.m. Eh? And you're in here and you screen drop on your phone.
Me wish me did it on my phone.
What do you mean you wish?
Me wish me did it on my phone.
So in your phone in the phone?
Me never did on my phone.
I am.
Me there say I pray. I pray to God.
Me no know that. Me no know that. You are telling me that now.
You don't know the head fi drop off of your body, but me no know
right
that.
Now, the place hot. You make it place hot. You lock up the whole winning from there. The winning them just lock up tight like say boy your harbor sitting in the house or sitting going.
Where you want me? What big one in my house?
Me no know sitting going in and remember feel open the back you window them.
I'm tell you something. You say if this can't go work, me can't go take this. Me can't take argument, you know. Me not like argument.
Are you started? You there screen drop, and you start to take your blame.
Alright, me
give me a car, me hungry.
Where you want to eat?
Whatever you cook. Where you find
so,
them?
oh, you go from last night and you just come in 6 o'clock. You go 6 o'clock yesterday morning, 6 o'clock this evening.
You know, here. When I call you, hear bang 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 in the background. Waiting me there. Eh? You think my work come from a cool place? Eh? You think fire building a one cool place? Eh? You ever see one stove yet?
So, So make you work so hard.
For you! And me! You say one shop stack up. This a week I don't know how it's going because I owe some whole heap of money on road.
Oh, you want money on
Whole heap of money on road right now. So I don't know listen, you have to take half. If me promise a 10, look for 5. If me promise a 5, look for. Oh, you know, I know. Okay. We're hungry.
If you look for 2.5.
2.5, yeah, that's perfect. Go find a fan and carry fan going there. Hot.
I don't know why you treat me so. I'm not treat. It's not. It's alright.
Marika!
What
going, girl?
My day. You good? Oh.
I saw me come to talk to you about.
Come on.
Girl, alright, that's what I want to stand up. Can't bother to sit down right now. You see the man we have when he bring go?
Lucky door. Lucky. Hurry up now. When somebody pass on here, you call my man name.
Anyways, he no good for you. You know when they
Ain't gonna work.
Work. I go shop them man there every night and every day. I spend the money. You get the money from when?
Not my man.
Not your man?
Not my man.
So my man?
Never my man, yeah.
Girl.
My man is a hard-working man here. So not all you say. I don't believe that.
What you say? Your man a hard-working man?
Yeah.
Alright. I hope when I get hard-working you will know.
So that's all. Now come over here to tell me. What kind of friend is that? Oh, come over here to tell me about my man.
Yeah. You know, if I tell you because I don't want to get too excited and something there. Because I guess I know. I get a promotion, you know.
You get promotion, I have to see you.
Yeah, but guess I know that a promotion I can't really give them money with it. Because the money not really enough like that for that promotion. So I go use it and do something for myself for this time. You understand?
What you gonna do for yourself?
What do you mean something I go do for myself? Look most things me do for you. Me started with shop, me set you up with shop and all these things. Me can't do something for myself. You tell me so the moment me say me I do something for myself, it's a problem? Is that what you're saying to me?
No, I'm not.
So make you look for me and say no, what you do for myself? Eh?
So what you going?
What mean something I go on? So because you not so happy because me go do something for myself this time. You have your shop. Me soon stock your shop. Me soon stock up back your shop, make it look like a shop.
Me not say no, me happy for you. Me happy say you get the promotion, but me not understand how somebody get promotion and
extra money for do little extra something.
Yes, and extra money. So
so what?
The money you did give me before, you can't give me that the money there is that the extra money they do what you have to do.
You see, that's why I can't take ungrateful people. Alright, you must say. Me deal with all of the things for the house and all them something. You deal with stuff for the kids them. See, and a matter of fact, talking about kids, you know, so you need to take time and pay attention to that the boy the Bob. I be Mr. Mas John saying down the street there rub out in Palm Middle. Past street. Few his son. And that the few daughter now wear beer tights. I show up in heaven hole. You don't know there's something there. You know there's something there?
No, I don't know there's something there.
So how you come at me like me now and do what me supposed to do? Are you responsible for guide them and thing? Why you doing that?
I always do that for them.
Yeah, in a what?
But
in a what way?
In every way. Everywhere, me did that for them.
I don't think you understand what you say, but that's fine. Me go to work now. Me need a positive energy for move forward. So, me not forwarding early tonight. Just more you remember that. You remember that part there? Can you go say me never tell you?
Remember. Me not gonna forget that. That's
Alright,
one thing me not gonna forget.
Alright, later then, yeah?
So give me a hug now.
You want to hug up? Come.
So yeah, oh yeah, go on like you know hug me.
And no matter that, but You cuss me, then you want me to hug you up. I don't understand.
Me not
It's
cuss
like
you,
you
I talk to you.
talk so. And some people talk. Later,
One, please. Later, yeah. Anyways. Bob, oh, welcome. Your father just left from your son.
Eh?
So Mas John say see you down the road and rub your hand. Where you rubbing your hand? I know
Oh,
weed.
rub my hand. Oh,
I
yeah.
don't so. Rub your hand so. Are we there some more boy?
What if me not catch me? You not catch your hand too?
Make sure say no weed there some more.
Look at me and them. Look at me and smoke weed.
Anyway, where your sister then?
She don't know. She there man here.
She there what?
She there home. She there on the road.
Oh.
I can't ask about her. Me and I don't want to
Anyway, where you come from by the way?
I come from the road now.
I said, did I catch your hand?
Yeah, you know see? Me I show you if you make you see say me not a catch. You know how?
You try to make sure. Anyway, I go call her sister. Tell me some want her ASAP.
Alright. Chanel! Mommy!
Yeah.
Me no see her now.
Alright then.
I mean, I can't come back here later because mommy and daddy are find us because Mas John see me I come tree bush so me don't know if me can come back later. Not even if me can come back later because I don't want them catch me. You know. So later me I go in now.
Where you come from? You know how me I call you? Mommy I go kill you with lick.
Boss! You watch to me, eh? You watch
Alright,
me.
alright. Me now watch you. Alright. Alright. Give me the data now.
Huh?
Give me the
Where you
data.
come from?
Oh, me out for my friend, me I come.
Where you sleep? Where you sleep? Come here. Where you live? Where you sleep? See me.
Me a sneak come in there.
See me.
Mommy, don't make it tell you no lie. Don't make it tell you no lie. You too lie, man. We are watch me come. Who me up for my friend, me I come from.
Take him.
See you.
You. More you gonna shot me by
Marital!
Oh, come. Somebody are calling me. Go and go sit down. Miss who come back. I'll not move from here. You hear, Bob?
You just chat too much that with you. You don't like what you tell you. You chat too much. If me go somewhere, it's a problem for you. Stop watch me. Me say stop watch. What man yard and my friend yard me I come from, and whatever man yard me I come from. Every time, if me go somewhere, you can't keep one man. Why? I nearly brought my ratchet's foot to blood fire.
How do you? How am I?
How come and hear look arguments and nearly broke my foot?
You love people business too much. As I hear one look nice over me, they run come over here.
Come to know say you cuss. I come look for you. You say you tell my foot.
I'm a penny than me attack to what?
I'm there now. You don't care about my foot.
No, some not care funny.
Really and truly do my foot alright now. I like money me come for bar because I want to go look party later.
We do for money. For me money?
Of course.
You must sound mad. For me money and I forgot a party. Guess what? Take your time going out of my yard. Come in and know what kind of friend you be. Come with man. Now you come with money. Go on. Come now. No money no there. Come.
Have you treat a friend them?
Yeah, come.
Have you treat a friend them?
Later.
Have you treat a friend them? Me now come back on your yard.
Later, here. Have a wonderful night tonight. But you got a party. You should have broke up.
You can't keep one man. You're a young girl, so much man for the past year jump time.
Huh? Why not talk about yourself?
Ask him and him there chat after him more. You chat too much. That
Go down. It's alright. Me sit down yourself. Alright, let me sit down between the two of them. Alright, let me sit down right here, so. What time you need? Sit yourself properly. Don't ramp with me.
yes, man.
Me
That's
your mother.
wicked. That's a wicked. But watch people shine there. Yeah,
Shut up. Want to listen to me right now. When I hear me, take your hand from your jaw. Where you stressed about? You have problems?
Stress, man. Me say shut up.
Alright, wanna talk one more time. Okay, good. Attention. Anyway, wanna talk to Babu. Chanel.
Mommy,
Una
you
me
know if the for me hands are hot.
how no some miserable for young people?
That he make me miserable, man.
Anyway, una know some love una though.
Yeah, mommy.
Una know some want good phone no. Me know nothing happen to no. That's why me always did the phone. Anything I want, me go it, don't it? Una father, me not say no did it, you know. He did it but in holiday years. Don't say that for your father. Don't do that.
That was mommy.
Make it honest. So, I only make me shop gone down, so you know. See it there? Me not have no money to
Me,
care about.
mommy, I this a hungry got one, yeah, mommy. I this
Una
a
go
one,
silent,
yeah,
me talk silent. Alright, yes sir. Give me one hand. As I say, our father love you, right? So guess what? I don't want to not talk nothing bad about our father. Because he have to work hard to take care of all of it. That's when I married to our father. I'm not married to him because I want married to him. I'm married to him because of phone sake. You understand what I say? So I don't want to go on like say, you don't have nobody you can run to. You can run to me. Basically, I'm married to you. You understand what I say? So if you don't want nobody shoulder feeling pants in my shoulder, yeah, so you come to me for anything you want. You understand? Bob, me no want you to pan road and rub out your hand, make
No, me a scratch me.
you, me say you have man.
Me?
You know, I'm gonna tell you something.
Mommy, me not no man.
Listen, we all make mistake. You see my mistake them, I want to listen to them and follow for them. You understand? Even though me the young ones, yes, me do foolish, yes, so you go do the same thing. But me just don't want to go in a wrong lane. You understand me, session now? You sure you understand? You understand, Bob? Me just want to know the on the right track at all times, even though nobody no perfect. So guess what? Want to go shower up? Yeah, you be ready. You need to go shower. We go share food so you can get it to eat. Alright? On the father now coming tonight and say you get one contract. So you get more busy than usual. But you know we see him tomorrow. Alright? So probably go talk to him, I don't know. But later. You want to go bed? You want to go bed? Stop that.
Chat too much.
See you. We are going to the shop for me. A bathroom, you have to go. No shop.
Mommy,
Nothing in the feet.
you so far me I come from, me no must hungry. Mommy, me can't guess you follow me go back to school street, you know. You know daddy who do follow me, you know? Daddy who do follow me. And with daddy there, you know let me not see when there.
My daughter, they have to support you the right through. Right? As me say, no father busy at work. So when he have the time, he will spend the time with you. You understand? So go in your room.
Alright, mommy.
Where is that? Arika!
Yes.
You did it, you see you. Come here, see you. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Everybody make wrong wicked. Everybody make wrong wicked. Oh, Sandra. Sandra. Sandra.
Who named Sandra? Eh?
Who that?
Who that?
Who that?
Who named which side of them? As a matter of fact, get up. Get up. Go where you come from. Go back where you come from. Come on, come here. Come on. Because
do
me
me,
not have one husband. What
Hmm?
is that? I'm sure you something.
So we can't do me so.
Take this one.
You can't make it without me.
Me no business.
You can't make life without me. And you feel if you feel like you can't work. You can't work.
Come house. It's alright.
Come up with them, man.
Funny how we would risk it all
Now come back.
for a dream. Funny how you would give it all
Open the door.
just to be happy.
Hold on.
I want me hear the device and I want me. I'm there, mommy.
Ingan.
What mean in gone?
Me push him out.
Same friend with your husband.
What mean I'm a friend of my husband?
Yeah, you think I got so?
Make it. Who's
Yeah,
pitney?
what?
Who's pitney? We not suffer
tell her
here.
something.
We not suffer.
God
Mommy.
will provide, you hear?
Mommy, we not suffer here. Yes, so we did a talk about to them making go on. Here? Making go on.
That me I do. My prayer them now go down in vain. You understand?
Oh.
When I pray for you know, me tell God say fi show me a sign if this a man here for me. You see, he come in. God show me a sign say enough for me. He come in here. How
What
you da
if he
feel
come
if
in
you're
that
a woman?
late?
Listen, stop it now. How you da feel if you come in? If your woman come in, right? And lay down on the bed and say, ain't got one name. Like you da say, John, stop now. How you da feel if your woman has so?
If you say John, stop now. Well, more
Yeah, shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. You
Listen,
don't
Mommy, I chew him a
understand.
man. Here, I chew him a man.
You don't understand. So you don't make no sense at all.
You go like, wow, just want money in your car. Oh, it's a big deal. Don't got money in your car like that. When you call in here, what you call? Name. No one money in
Bob, come out of
No
my
money in my
room.
car.
Bob, come out of my room.
Come up here.
1,
Two.
2,
One.
3, come on.
You can just look at your car. Mommy, make him go on here. Make him go on. You see, Bob, my man, say, more pick up him here. More pick up him, make them go on here. Come. Don't make him call a phone.
Get up, man. Get up. Get up now.
No.
Get up now.
How?
What you expect? What you expect for the right that's alright now?
What do you mean? You not there?
What you want come here and do?
What do you mean come here?
You want come here and sleep every night? And what you expect to sleep? Yes, sir. And stay, yes, sir.
So, me and a good friend like that?
That can't work. Cause guess what? Every day, me go over your woman here just to ensure that she not hear nothing about me and you. And what happened between me and you one time is just a mistake. So what is now?
Me and she no problem and me have to come somewhere. Yeah, you say closest place to come. What you talking about? Eh? You can't do me so. Think you really want to keep me out of enough money to spend by you know?
Hello, listen to me. You see right now, you go pack up your bungo and left this a jungle because you can't stay in this a jungle.
Yo, let me tell you this. You can't let me say. That me I tell you. You cannot afford to make me leave your place. I come in a drunk which night there and you end up and drink some of my rum. And you never drink some of my rum too. Eh?
Yeah,
so
but me I say,
so
basically me I say.
What you say?
Listen, basically me I say, you cannot stay here. What happened between me and you the one time is just a mistake. And that can't happen again. That robot, it can't happen again. So you have to leave,
What if me give more money? What if me give more money?
What if I give me more money?
Yes.
Well, you know, I love money, yes, but alright. One night, stay just one night, single night.
That can't. 1 week. Give me a week and it make me go around and I stop. Well, Jala could take him look at me that. See the gang. 1 week. You know that Queen can't come for me.
You take this thing as joking. Alright. Let's see, want some tea?
Yeah, let's see.
Watch out. How you there, so my niece? How make you look so?
It's just that.
Look all by your head. Come now, quick talk. Come now. I want you.
I don't believe what happened.
What happened?
I push out my husband. I run him out.
What do you mean by you run out your husband? For a reason.
Auntie, my husband don't respect me.
Jesus. Oh, I live where your mother live. I you want to live.
And I say, I want to live a life for my mother live, you know. But he not give me pitting them no attention. Me not get no attention. He not carry no money.
Listen to me. You see, a father figure in a child life, very important there. You don't see how your mother struggle with you know. And then that you want your pick them come go through, that you want to put them through. Whether a man not pay attention now, why you put out the man?
I don't with nobody when I respect me.
A foolish that.
And
Where
every
respect
time
I go. Where the respect, me understand so respect go wanted, but by the end of the day, you have to think about the pitting them. You understand? Think about the pitting them. You know, say pitting them, get up a man and say, well, daddy there, where you go tell them? So you kick out your father. That you
then I ask them father. Because they normally wake up and see them father. When
their father normally come in.
Well,
and when they don't see their father come in at evening time, how you think them go feel?
They don't feel no way.
Marika, stop that foolish. You know, see your mother struggle with you, Marika. How you feel want to walk in your mother's shoes?
I rather struggle like I'm a mother.
No, girl.
Than I have
you see,
respect.
let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Tell you something. You see, when you see your parents grow up and go through, you have to try push yourself that you know walk in their shoes. Try to be better. Not try to be the same thing with your mother do. Don't try to do it.
And I same thing with my mother do.
Then what you do, you put out the man. I see him say your mother they put out your husband and then turn on a batter we don't know. And see that it you can't do. You see? So
well, he done gone through door already. And he
give
can't
him a
come
next
back.
chance.
No,
But you forgive him.
No. You know how much time me give the man the chance? You think I 1 or 2 times me give him chance?
It doesn't matter your husband.
No, I'm
your
husband.
Supposed to go sit down and talk about it. Go to one counselor then. Talk about it. Sit and talk about it. Talk about the problem. You don't know if it's going to change.
He not live like a married man. He might live like him a single man. That's the whole point.
You live like a married man?
Of course, me live like a married man. Me have a next man.
Oh, you're so sure he have next woman?
Yeah, well, if a woman out
how you know?
Me know.
You see with them? Here he say cannot. You think you can go in front of the judge and go say, Your Honor, me here say he out the road and give me hand or have an affair or whatever. You think you can do that?
That's the greatest
You have
thing.
to have proof.
The greatest
And you don't have no proof by man. I give you a bun and you say man I give you a
The
bun.
greatest thing when I go in front of judge.
How you so sure? So now get a divorce, what I go do? Suppose the man file for him pitting them. Suppose you want custody and pitting them.
He not go file for them.
How you so sure?
Me know 100% he
Marital.
not file for them.
Marital, you're
He
not
rather
bad.
make them stand with me
Yeah, me
than
niece,
him come for
and me
them.
a try. Me a try talk to you. Me know when you walking and same footstep with your mother walking. Give your husband another chance.
Huh? Not another chance.
So if you now give me more chance, you come run at me for.
Me just come to talk to you.
Talk about foolishness. All I need to do a call your husband.
Me don't know me come here yard for now.
Cause you know me I go tell her right.
Me don't know me come here yard for because I be a fool in this year tell me say. I rather talk to somebody else.
And I same thing them I go tell her.
Then I go tell me
I
something.
same thing them I go tell her Marica. You're not working, you know. Even though the man now come in earlier, what the man at work, and the man carry the money come for pick them, eat food, and the man send them to school. You work?
Send me to school.
Are you working?
I'm a shopper send me pitney them go to school.
The local shop can't send pitney go to school, Marica. The shop cannot send them go to school. You know what you want school back down? Uniform, and you know say a 5 day, 5 uniform pitney one. You have to go build uniform, you have to buy shoes, you have to buy a book list. And you want that little shop they can't take care of everything. The man have a hand in there too. So wise up on top one like an idiot and call your husband and apologize.
Oh, if you apologize.
Or sit down and talk. You call him and tell him say you want to talk to him then.
But
sit down and talk.
something wrong with them, no?
Sit down and talk. Tell him say, make you go see somebody if you try to fix the problem in a relationship. You know, try to fix a marriage, yeah, try to run with funny. How you want to run, you go find different man. And then the next man abuse the pitting them and in-cheat them. And that's what you want to do.
Listen to me. Me no want another man.
So yeah, say
I rather
no.
stay with me two pitney them.
So
because
yeah,
you look
say
like
no.
them me married too.
That you're licking your right panny head. That you want married to your pitney them.
Yes, and them me married too. That's the whole point. Me married to them.
Alright, yeah, me I go there now. Upon the road me I go, you know. And look like you have nowhere to go, so where are you at an area stay?
I go home. Because come like I waste my time come on and contact.
Because a fool you come around here with, but you left your husband for no reason. Rubbish.
Mommy, are you remember where you come from?
No, sir, I want to auntie them where I come from.
Mom want to ask you, where you go to? Because I'm not food there for you, you know? I'm hungry, you know?
Me have something in the shop can look for. That I last something I have to look for.
So when you have last when I shop, where you go eat? You think about that? Or you think you're more left in
Who
the
you
shop?
talk to, sir?
Eh?
Who you talk to, sir?
Sorry. But if you don't left in the shop, where you go eat?
Me don't know. God will provide. We have to find one way.
God take long to provide.
God not take long to provide. Don't say that. Anyway, where's the study?
No. Oh, shit. I sleep, but I sleep.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Anyway, we have to go eat wine in the shop until everything done out there. You understand?
So,
me?
when you're out the shop?
Yes, we have to go in the
A
shop.
long time, I tell me when you're out the shop, man.
So for the it was shop long time. When would I get money from to buy chicken back yesterday?
That's not true.
Yeah?
That's not true, but a long time I tell me when you're out the shop. But I look at things when I eat out the shop.
Use a senses.
But I'm glad you say we can eat out the shop still.
Anyway, I'm going to go look for something.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Bring her!
No, man, my family, them.
Bring her!
What I'm to you? Eh?
This not gonna work.
When, alright, my boss, give me a second, I'm talk to you. What you talk about?
This not gonna work.
What you mean?
Guilt a kill me.
What you mean say you can't go work? What you talk about?
It can't go work. You can't stay in me yard no longer. Guilt a kill me.
What
You
you
don't
mean?
understand.
So what that mean? What that supposed to mean?
Guilt a kill me. Remember say me and your woman a friend.
Yeah.
And what happened between me and you was just a
But,
mistake.
yeah, but you make it sound like say nothing never go in. I just pull me and pull away and that was it. Eh?
It doesn't matter.
It-
Guilt still a kill me.
Alright, so give me, as I tell you before, give me about 4 more days. I stay a place because I try to organize something. I have to go back to my yard, you know. I have to go back to my yard and place that. So what you talk about? You feel I'm going to make sure take everything? Eh? Mosquito will bite me. What you feel go happen after this? Eh? And nobody go on like say you want to ask strange owner. You still have to go check her and make sure say she good.
Bingo, you have to go.
Yeah, me I
You
go.
have to
But
go.
4 days I go. 4 days I will go. Me set up my thing now. You understand me I say? So don't make it thing sound so. You understand me I say? Hey, me I talk to you answer me now. Me I give you some more money you want again. Me I give you more money, man. So stop the foolishness.
Let me smile. So give me no.
What do you mean so give you? So come for now. And I'm bothered with the foolishness. Go on over now, man.
Alright.
You subscribe yet?